When you purchase a service from SAP Cloud Platform, then to consume that service, you assign that service to a sub account. And inside the sub account, it is actually the space that consume that service. So, for example, if you purchased ABAP service of 10 units and then you assign that ABAP service to a sub account, then your space can consume that 10 units of ABAP service. If you want to prevent this from happening, then you can create a quota plans. Quota plans are created to manage the services or resources that are assigned to a space. By default, a space consumes all the quota that has been assigned to it. So we can create a quota plan, and in that we can limit the number of services that can be consumed by a space. Don't worry if you do not understand this concept completely now. In the coming videos, we will be installing our ABAP on cloud system on Cloud Foundry environment. There, I will show you how to create quota plan to limit our space. And then you will have complete understanding of this confusing term, quota plan.